Welcome to Phnom Penh, the capital city of Cambodia. Tonight we are walking along Sisawat Quay, the famous riverside prominent near the royal palace, where the Tonle Sap River meets the Mekong. This is one of the most popular places for both locals and international visitors, especially from the countries like the United States, Canada, UK, and Europe who come here to experience Cambodia's vibrant nightlife. You can enjoy street food, relax by the river, take a boat cruise, or simply walk and feel the energy of the city. Tonight is special for us. I brought my mom, my daughter, and our family to experience this together. Even though mom could not walk far, she sat peacefully by the riverside where we explore around her. Sometimes travel is not just about places, but about sharing simple moments with the people we love. If you are planning to visit Cambodia, Phnom Penh at night is something you should not miss.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
Dia con phong khổ dia bong.
Bộ đấm khai lại hiện tại để trái ba kỳ product hãy khắc sai những ăn bọt rung video rất tuyệt nông thôn nông công kỳ bảo phát cái mấy program trên kênh YouTube lần vừa ở chuột cho mò nông tập tục. เรียบร้อยบอกโอนเงินทั้งห้องนักการเลงตามมาต่อจดหมายเจออย่างนี้บอกโอนนาหรือบานความประเสริฐเต็งโปรมิตาบอกโอนยกของงานในปีเกียร์การตราที่มือที่เป็นวัดของเราที่ที่เรือวิทยาตุ้งประกอบกิจการลำใบแต่ตราตุ้งจูนเราบอกโอนมาบ้านมาโซบอกคนมาโซเรียบทองไหนเราบอกโอนเงินโตนโตโตขนาดเทียบบ้าน